Hey y'all, welcome to Cute Apron Cooking. My name is Rachel and this is my friend Hannah.
Hello.
When I went home for Christmas break, I was going through my mom's cookbooks just to see if I wanted to take some back with me. And I came across this one, Rachel's Recipes, 2003. I think I would have been 13 when I made this. Would that be right? Just wanted to go through and read them and see what 13-year-old me put in her cookbook. You want to read the first one?
Sure.
Okay.
The index. Nothing's there.
That is a true description of me. I start something and I don't finish it, so.
Old World manicotti. 12 large manicotti shells. 4 cups of shredded mozzarella. 2 cups of ricotta cheese. 6 tablespoons of fresh basil or 2 tablespoons of dry basil. 1 26-ounce jar of spaghetti sauce. And a half a cup of grated Parmesan or Romano cheese.
I don't know if you remember this or not, but like way back in the day, Kroger used to have these machines that you could go up to and you could search all kinds of recipes and it would print you a recipe card like in the store. And this is one of those recipes. So this is actually a legit recipe. Oh, this is another good recipe. This is stovetop 1-dish chicken bake. And it has a package of stovetop stuffing, 4 chicken breast halves, a can of cream of mushroom soup, and then sour cream. I think it would need more flavoring if I ever tried to make this. It just looks like it needs more seasoning, but it would probably taste pretty good.
Just from looking at the page, she knows it needs more seasoning.
It does, I can tell.
Alright. Baked beans. 2 large cans of pork and beans, 1 small bottle of
ketchup. Oh, I spelled it catsup.
When I almost read it, I wanted to say cat soup. What is cat soup?
Wow.
Okay, a small bottle of ketchup, not cat soup, whatever that is. 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 onion grated, tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of molasses or dark Karo syrup, several bacon strips.
Broccoli casserole. 2 packages frozen chopped broccoli. I have no idea what size, but 2 packages. A half a stick of butter, a half a pound of Velveeta, and 4 ounces of Ritz crackers.
Krazzers.
Krazzers?
This is so much fun!
Wow. Wow. Spelling is not a strong suit, and I spelled the crackers Crazers. Krazzers. Okay, anyways. So that would kind of be okay, but once again, it would need more stuff added to it just to kind of make it better. But that's pretty cool.
We should rename it broccoli casserole.
Casserole. I love it. Oh, this one's interesting.
Slavy?
Slaw. I'm not that bad. That does look like slimy.
It looks like a V and a Y.
It does, yeah.
1 medium cabbage, 3 medium potatoes, 1 sweet pepper, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 a cup of oil, 1/4 a cup of vinegar, salt and pepper to taste.
Okay, so this recipe though, 3 potatoes. I don't know what I was thinking, but I've never had slaw with potatoes in it.
I was wondering, but oh, you spelled crackers right.
Tuna casserole. We have 1 cup crushed crackers, a can of tuna, a can of cream of celery soup, and an egg. Like, all of these casseroles and everything are like the basic of all recipes. Like, there's no added flavor whatsoever.
Easy meatloaf. 2 pounds of ground chuck. 1 can of cream. And 1 package of Lipton onion soup mix.
Yeah, that meatloaf is not staying together. That's going to be like ground baked burger. Because there's nothing to hold it together. No eggs or crackers or anything like that.
Oatmeal.
No oatmeal. And nothing to put on top.
No seasoning.
No seasoning, no ketchup, no sauce. That's a disaster waiting to happen. This one is actually really good. It's an easy fruit dip, and it's a jar of marshmallow cream and a package of cream cheese. And you just blend those together, like whip them with your mixer, and it goes great with like fruit platter. It's a really good fruit dip.
You know what we need to make?
What do we
That
need
this
to make?
recipe reminds me of?
What?
Fruit pizza.
Fruit pizza, yes. I definitely plan on making a fruit pizza for the show. I love fruit pizzas. I think they're so beautiful with all the different colors and stuff. Yummy, but I'm going to wait till spring to make that. So, this one's yours.
Oh, yay. Creamy tacos. 2 pounds of ground beef. 2 cans of evaporated milk. 1 pound box of Velveeta cheese. 8 plus.
That wasn't the correct T, so I started over. Like I had a lowercase T and I wanted it capitalized.
8 tablespoons of mild picante
Like a hot sauce.
Okay. 1 can of chili hot beans and 1 bag of tortilla chips. It looks like an H, and I'm just like, Tavila.
This actually sounds like it would be pretty good.
Yeah,
it
does.
sounds like the dip that you make. Oh, and at the bottom it says enjoy. And for the show, whenever I type a recipe up for my website, the very last step that I have in my recipe is to enjoy. So even like back then, I was adding the word enjoy. Okay, so like I said earlier, I start things and never finish them. So I have half a cookbook with instructions, and then I have like a bunch of different recipes that I wanted to add, but I never got around to adding them. So we're just going to read off what those were. Some of them sound like they would have been good. I don't know if my 13-year-old self would have made them good, but now I could come up with a good recipe. It is sweet cinnamon biscuits.
That sounds interesting.
Yeah.
Chunky potato soup.
I spelled that correctly. You just pronounced it wrong.
Chunky potato soup.
Yeah. And then we have Black Forest cake. So that's such a classic.
Creamed chicken and biscuits.
Maybe like a pot pie with biscuits on top. I don't know what I had in mind there. I don't know if I was trying to say Mama's banana bread, but it's like Mana's banana bread.
Mana's banana bread.
Mana's or no. I know what it is.
Nana's.
Nana's banana bread.
Because you scribbled out that line.
Yeah.
Nana's banana bread.
Nana's. I don't call anybody in my life Nana, so I don't know what that recipe would have been.
Chocolate chip ice cream pie.
Wonder what that would have been. We should create a recipe up real fast. Chocolate chip ice cream pie. Oreo crust with hot fudge in the bottom. Chocolate chip ice cream in it. And then Cool Whip and ganache on top.
Ganache on top.
With little mini chocolate chip cookies on top.
Mm-hmm.
That sounds good.
Yeah, it does.
Next, we have drop sugar cookies.
Sunday pot roast.
And that is all. So,
That was fun.
I hope you enjoyed seeing my little cookbook of disaster recipes.
Not all of them.
Yeah,
Not all of them.
There were a few good ones, but
Slavy.
You
could make slaw with salami in it, and then like
slaw with salami.
Yeah. We could try it.
That doesn't sound good to me.
Sounds interesting.
So, what's some of the recipes that you cooked when like you were a kid? But anyway, any final thoughts?
I think we should try a couple of those.
Which one?
The baked beans with the cat soup sounds good.
But maybe someday we will try some of these. Maybe not. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.